If you are watching this video, chances are you're looking to make a change in your life by starting a side hustle. Whether you are aiming for an extra $1,000 a month to ease those bills, or dreaming of a side hustle that can bring $10,000 or more each month, then this video is for you. Today we explore 20 side hustles that are entirely free to start. No paid apps, no subscriptions, and no advertising costs. Let's dive in. Faceless mobile videos. First on our list is creating faceless mobile videos. This trend is booming on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can earn money from video ads and affiliate commissions by posting these videos. For example, one creator used a free Minecraft video to discuss an AI app, earning $150 in affiliate commissions. You can start this hustle for free thanks to tools like ChatGPT, 11labs.io, Pixels and Pixabay, YouTube, and CapCut. Training AI. Next, we have training AI. AI companies are paying people to complete simple tasks like identifying people in photos to help train their apps. According to Reddit user, websites like Remotasking and Data Editati offer opportunities to earn $20 to $40 per hour. Training AI involves labeling images, transcribing audio, or verifying data. These tasks help improve machine learning models. It's a straightforward way to earn money by contributing to cutting-edge technology development. Plus, it's a flexible job you can do from anywhere with an internet connection. Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest affiliate marketing is another excellent option. One marketer made over $1,000 from a single pin with about 30,000 views. You can earn commissions from programs like Amazon by creating engaging pins that link to blog posts with affiliate links. Tools like ChatGPT and Blogger.com can help you get started without any cost. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform ideal for showcasing products and ideas. You can drive traffic and earn commissions by creating appealing pins that link to detailed blog posts or product reviews. This strategy works well for niches like home decor, fashion, and DIY projects. Virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is a flexible way to earn money. You can manage social media management, bookkeeping, and customer service. Websites like belaysolution.com, fancyhands.com, and Vertalent match you with clients, making it easy to get started without marketing yourself. Virtual assistants are in high demand in a business that looks to outsource administrative tasks. This role allows you to work from home, set your hours, and take on various tasks that match your skills. There are a wide range of opportunities available. Whether you are scheduling appointments, managing emails, or handling social media accounts. Etsy Digital Product Store. Another lucrative option is starting an Etsy store for digital products, like Canva templates and digital planners. Even if you're not a designer, you can use free resources from Pixabay and Canva to create products. Etsy offers 40 free item listings to help you get started. Digital products are great because they don't require inventory or shipping. Once you create a product, you can sell it repeatedly with no additional cost. Popular digital products include planners, printable art, and educational resources. With a bit of creativity, you can turn your ideas into income. Etsy Print On Demand Store. Print on demand on Etsy is a passive way to earn money. By using Printify, Canva, and Photopea, you can create and sell custom merchandise without upfront cost. This side hustle can grow significantly, as seen by stores earning thousands of dollars weekly. Print on demand allows you to design products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, which are printed and shipped by a third-party provider. This means you don't need to handle inventory or shipping. You create designs, list for them on Etsy, and profit from each sale. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping. Dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace involves finding items on websites like eBay and selling them as a markup. A YouTube tutorial can guide you through this process step by step. In dropshipping, you act as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. You list products on Facebook Marketplace that you source from sites like eBay. When a customer buys from you, you purchase the item from the supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This model allows you to start a business with minimal investment. User research studies. Participating in user research studies can be both fun and profitable. Websites like Discount, Prolific, and Cloud Research can pay you for feedback on various products and services. User research studies involve giving feedback on new products, apps, or services. Companies use this feedback to improve their offerings. Studies can range from short surveys to more extended interviews or usability tests. This side hustle is flexible and interesting and pays well for your time and opinions. TikTok Creativity Beta. The TikTok Creativity Beta program pays for videos longer than 60 seconds. Creators can earn substantial amount with high RPM rates. Use ChatGPT and even Labs.io to create engaging stories for your videos. TikTok Creativity Beta program allows creators to earn ad revenue from longer videos. By creating engaging content that holds the viewer's attention, you can earn money based on numbers of views. Popular content includes storytelling, tutorial, and entertaining clips. Leveraging AI tools to enhance your video creation process. Game Tester. Playtest Cloud offers opportunity to test mobile games and earn money. User reports earning $10 to $20 for 30-minute testing gigs. Game testing involves playing new games and providing feedback on bugs, usability, and overall experience. It's a fun way to earn money, especially if you're a gamer. Testing sessions are usually short, making it easy to fit into your schedule. Plus, you get to try out new games before they are released to the public. Selling trendy pictures on Redbubble. Redbubble allows you to upload and sell trendy pictures on various merchandise. With a young audience, internet memes and trendy design can generate passive income. Redbubble is a marketplace where artists sell their designs on products like t-shirts, stickers, and phone cases. By uploading trendy designs, you can earn commissions on each sale. It's an excellent platform for artists and creatives to monetize their work without dealing with production or shipping. User Tester. UserTesting.com pays you to test websites and apps. This side hustle is simple and it pays about $10 to $20 per test. User testing involves navigating websites or apps and providing feedback on their functionality and user experience. It's an easy way to earn money from home. You'll record your screen and voice as you complete the task, offering insight to help companies improve their digital products. Mock juror. Being a mock juror for legal-focused groups can pay well. Online Verdict offers opportunity to earn $300 to $350 per case in USA. Mock jurors participate in simulated trials, providing feedback on cases before they go to court. This helps lawyers prepare for actual trials. It's a fascinating side hustle for those interested in law and provide a good payout for your time. Cases can be conducted in person or online. Affiliate commissions from tutorial videos. Creating tutorial videos with affiliate links can be highly profitable. Tools like EvenLabs.io and CapCut makes it easy to create and edit videos. Affiliate marketing through tutorial videos involve creating content that educates viewers while promoting products. By including affiliate links in your video description, you can earn commission on sales generated through those links. Tutorials can cover various topics from tech tips to DIY projects. Selling courses. Platforms like Thinkific allows you to create and host and sell courses for free. Sharing your expertise can turn into a significant income stream. Creating and selling online courses is a great way to monetize your knowledge. Thinkific offers tools to build, market, and sell courses without any upfront cost. Whether teaching a skill, sharing industry knowledge, or providing training, online courses can generate passive income and establish you as an authority in your field. Microtasker. Apps like Field Agent paid you for simple tasks while shopping. Mystery shopping is available in various countries and is an easy way to earn extra cash. Microtasking apps assign you small tasks like taking photos of a product, verifying prices, or completing short surveys. These tasks are quick and can be done while running errands. Mystery shopping, a form of microtasking, involved evaluating customer service and store condition for retailers. Rental business. Renting out items like cars, Turo, baby gear, baby quip, and swimming pools, Swimply, can be a great way to earn money. Platforms like Neighbor.com also allows you to rent out storage space. The rental business involves leasing your assets to others for a fee. Whether it's your car, baby gear, pool, or storage space, there are platforms to help you find renters. This side hustle is ideal for those with underutilized assets looking to generate extra income. Skillshare Teacher. Teaching on Skillshare is open to anyone with a niche of knowledge. You can create and upload courses using your phone and free editing tools. Skillshare allows you to teach classes on various topics from creative art to business skills. You earn money based on the number of minutes students watch your classes. Creating and uploading classes is straightforward, and Skillshare provides tools to do this. Here are some classes you can teach. Dog walker. Dog walking has seen a surge in demand post-lockdown. Advertising your service in local Facebook groups can help you find clients quickly. Twitter X ad revenue. Monetizing your tweets on Twitter X by creating meme account can be profitable. Use ChatGPT and IMG Flips memes generator to create engaging content. So which side hustle are you going to start? Let me know in the comment below. And remember to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.